Okay, I wanted to do a video review of this just so you guys can see all of the good things on this. I mean, pictures can only tell you so much. So this is the shade. It is removable. You can adjust the clamp on it. Same with this. Both these have to be adjusted. This you can actually like close up in case you want to adjust, you know, the amount of shade you're getting on it. It has the back part covered right here, so you're not getting sun from the back. I also found that this thing comes with wheels. So the wheels are like super easy to put in. You have these little slots on the back side, and you literally just like slide it in, push the tab, and then you have wheels. So this thing can be carted around on wheels. It has a carrying strap on it as well. On the side, here's the carrying strap. It also has a handle, and then some side storage. And then on the backs, or on the front side actually, this is where the wheels are kept. This is the adjustable height, so you can like lay it flat. At the foot, this actually comes up, and you'll notice there's a hole there. That is for your head in case you want to go face down, and then put your arms through here. This chair literally has everything. It folds up nice and flat, nice and easy. It's easy to store. Super happy with this purchase, and it's very well made, and I love how well it was packaged. It was packaged with care. So yeah, there's a ton of little clamps on it too on all the ends. So once you have it all folded together, it attaches, so it's not going to come undone. But yeah, super cool chair. If you like to tan, if you like to spend your summers in the sun, this is like a must-have. Great for the beach too.